You have ID? Can I see it?
Yeah.
Can I see it? No. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask you to leave the airport. You're being trespassed. We don't want you here. So you have to leave the airport.
Who said that?
Me. I'm saying that.
You're gonna call the judge then?
Huh?
This case was recorded on the 14th of December 2025 at an airport during a trespass encounter escalating to felony charges.
I'm Corporal Vasquez with the airport police. You all right?
I don't know.
I don't speak Spanish, my friend. You speak English?
I'm speaking English.
All right. So I don't speak Spanish, my friend.
I'm speaking English.
What happened?
I'm speaking in English.
I know, I hear you. I'm just telling you I don't speak Spanish. You were speaking Spanish.
That's why I haven't steal from the crash.
Huh?
I haven't steal from the crash.
I don't know what that means, man. You all right?
What are you talking about, man?
What are you talking about? You okay? You know where you are? Where are you, brother? You spitting at people?
I haven't steal from the trash, I told you.
You're spitting at people, I heard.
Who said that?
Somebody. You have ID? Can I see it?
Yeah.
Can I see it? No. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask you to leave the airport. You're being trespassed. We don't want you here. So you have to leave the airport.
Who said that?
Me. I'm saying that.
You're gonna call the judge then?
Huh? I'm telling you you're being trespassed and you have to leave.
I told you eso.
I'm telling you.
Then grab me then.
You want me to grab you?
Dale.
We can do that. We can grab you. Put your hands behind your back. Don't move. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. You better cut that out.
I got it.
It's covered in piss. 35 or 10-15.
You try biting you?
Huh? I don't know. He was putting his head by my leg. I don't know what he was doing. Brother, you don't have anything that's gonna pick me, poke me, stab me?
No.
No. Here. Here, stand up. Here.
Can I close my eyes?
You can cross your eyes, brother. I don't know what that means, but yeah, we'll get it all out.
Yeah, I can come back to Puerto Rico.
What's up?
I can come back to Puerto Rico.
Yeah, you're going to jail for trespassing, my friends.
Yeah. I'm gonna say your bushes.
Whatever you want to say, brother. You can say whatever you want.
I told you, man. I told you. Start complaining. You lying. You calling surrounding and calling the cops.
I'm the cops.
You know cops. Don't lie.
I'm the
man.
cops.
Don't lie.
Let me see.
The judge
Say his
won't
name.
let me go to Puerto Rico. I tell you. You want to stop?
You have a car somewhere?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna call Scott. What's your 137?
Stand by.
I'll go talk. Okay.
Let me see. How do
So
you spell this last name?
we'll give you an opportunity to leave, and you want to leave.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know what that means, dude. Hold still, Guillermo. Hold still. All right. No, we don't want to push you. You ready? We'll bring him down this second. My Espanol's not good, I told you. 35. Yeah, it's just trespassing right now. We'll figure it out. My man.
The computer.
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Hey, get up and walk.
Don't kick. You kick us, you're going to have a problem, my
I
man.
don't want to kick you.
Don't kick us then. Stand up and walk on your
We're
own
gonna put a
power.
restraint on you and carry you.
Stand up.
Oh, man.
Be a man.
I will let you kill him.
Here, this one's over here.
Man, we want to volver en barco.
Don't spit on
La
me.
cocaína y todo eso.
Don't spit on me. Don't look at me.
Man,
Don't point your face towards me. Don't point your face towards me. You spit on me.
Not gonna
Don't
happen.
spit on me.
Look that way. Look that way.
Don't even look at me. 35 for the unit come from the transport. We're going to be on level 2, blue 221.
Yeah. Bro,
Don't. You hear me? Don't spit at us, man. Don't. I don't like that. You hear me? What happened? What, did you just have change?
Yeah, just a bunch of change.
Roberto, where is your ID out of? What state?
I think it's in the trash like you.
What?
I think it's in the trash.
No, like what state? Where are you from? New York? New Jersey? Huh? You just have a pass, but like, what state do you have an ID out of?
Oh, Dominican Republic.
Just Dominican Republic?
San Pedro Macorís.
All right.
Is that where you were born?
San Pedro Macorís.
He's got to have ID out of somewhere. You don't have a driver's license, right?
Ah, viví en Matanza.
I know, but what state do you have a driver's license out of?
I don't know what name on that state is.
Where do you live?
Oh, remember. No es correcto para conocerlo. Pero yo, a conocer eso, realmente es muy lógico. Sin eso, pero sí. Lo que va a pensar cuando espera mucho. Eso mismo va a pensar. Eso es lo que pienso que una decía ahorita. Lo saben. Me decía ahorita.
Oh, hold on, just a second. Hey, what's going on? Blue departures. Is she at Express? Yeah, I put it over the radio, but I don't know if they heard. We're at 221. Oh no, you know what? They're pulling up right now, so they got it. Thanks, Sergeant. Here's your ride, brother. Yeah, we'll before we put them in. Over here, over here. It's just trespass. I'm gonna take care of the CRM. Roberto, what are you doing, dude? Cut it out. I got him. You want to check?
Pull this shoe off for me. Pull this leg out.
Pull your leg up. Relax.
Give me the other one.
Here, we gotta check the other one. All right. Yeah, if you want to, or you want You want it? All right. Well, you have nothing else on you, right, brother?
No, sir.
All right. The string. Does he have 2 pairs of pants?
3.
3 pairs of pants? I just want to make sure that they have I hate when they have pockets inside of pockets. No, you're good, bro. You got to behave. We're gonna take you to jail. I want you to behave with these guys. All right? That's it. No spitting. None of that stuff you were doing before. That's all over now. All right?
All right. This pocket. Check this pocket.
Yeah, double check. I don't want any surprises.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah. Have you been to bookings over here yet? Yeah. But they're pretty thorough.
Just give me one moment. I'm just gonna pat you down, brother.
Just pass me the seatbelt. We gotta buckle them in. Yeah, here, move over a little bit, brother. No, this way. We gotta put your seatbelt in.
Hey, Roberto.
Yeah.
You are trespassing in the airport.
Okay.
You cannot do that.
The legal issues span reasonable suspicion, trespass, felony resisting, battery on officer, and language access. Under Cady v. Dombrowski, 1973, the community caretaking function supports airport officer approach. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, an investigative detention requires reasonable, articulable suspicion. Reports of spitting at people plus visual observation supply that standard cleanly on the record. Under Title VI, 42 U.S.C. Section 2000D, and DOJ Executive Order 13166, LEP subjects require meaningful access. Best practice calls for telephonic interpretation language line for encounters of legal consequence. Under Lau v. Nichols, 1974, the Title VI language access framework reaches law enforcement recipients. Flaw. Stat. Section 810.08 criminalizes willful presence in a structure after being warned to depart. The airport terminal is a structure for statutory purposes under Florida law. The formal warning you're being trespassed plus refusal completes the elements. Under Beck v. Ohio, 1964, the refusal supplies probable cause for warrantless arrest. Under Mueller v. Mina, 2005, handcuffing during a lawful arrest is expected and permitted. Flaw stat, Section 843.0. 2 covers nonviolent, resisting a first-degree misdemeanor up to 1 year. Flaw stat, Section 843.01 covers resisting with violence a third-degree felony up to 5 years. The attempted bite of the officer converts the misdemeanor resisting charge to felony resisting. Flat-out stat. Section 784.03 defines battery as intentional, unwanted touching of another person. Under Florida appellate law, spitting on a person constitutes battery and unwanted touching. See BJC v. State, Flawforth DCA 2003, the leading Florida decision on spitting as battery. FLA, Stat. Section 784.07 enhances battery to a third-degree felony when the victim is a law enforcement officer. Battery on a law enforcement officer carries up to 5 years in state prison and a $5,000 fine. Under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, profanity toward police is protected First Amendment speech. The First Amendment protects words, not projectiles. Spitting is battery, not speech. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, position commands to prevent spitting are objectively reasonable. Don't point your face towards me is a minimum force protective measure, not excessive force. Bodily fluid exposure triggers department protocol uniform change and medical evaluation for prophylaxis. A workplace safety incident report preserves the record for the officer's workers' compensation posture. Under United States v. Robinson, 1973, search incident to a lawful arrest is authorized. Under Atwater v. Lago Vista, 2001, warrantless arrest for a minor offense is permitted. Under City and County of San Francisco v. Sheehan, 2015, ADA on-scene application to arrests is contested. The Crisis Intervention Team framework calls for mental health-informed response to homelessness cases. Cognitive presentation is a mitigating factor at charging, not a bar to the felony conduct captured. Grading Officer Vasquez earns a B+ for measured tone despite bites, spits, and contamination. The additional officers earn a B for thorough search execution and adequate transport coordination. The subject earns an F. Every escalation triggered a felony enhancement built by his own conduct. Lesson 1, the First Amendment protects words, but not projectiles. Spitting is battery under Florida law. Lesson 2, attempted biting of an officer converts a misdemeanor resisting charge into a felony. Lesson 3, language barriers trigger Title VI meaningful access obligations for law enforcement. Lesson 4, homelessness is a social crisis, but does not immunize felony conduct at trial. Let us know in the comments which legal issue you would like us to break down next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Body.